Hey guys, I'm blonde. Friend right there, Danielle. She says she's tired of looking at my hair like this. How rude can she be? Look at her trying to be all cute. Viola, you want to be my YouTube video? Yep, she's ready this time. She's ready to be in the video. Look at her. Nicole's ready to be in the video again. Time to go to class. So what we gonna do today? Tell Elaine, because you're my hairstylist. Why? One time. You're orange. Orange. Yup, you see right here, orange. Underneath right here for the transition is kind of orange. So we did like a little strand test. Probably can't see it. It's underneath somewhere. And it came out pretty much blue right here. But the ends are kind of green. Hopefully it'll be a nice yellow. And then we throw the blue on top. So you guys, look at her. Look at that. She want to be in the video. Little weirdo. We have a haunted balloon in this school. 4 times that we are lightening this puppy.
And playing some dangerous games.
So this is straight lot now.
That's saturated.
What she's gonna keep doing over and over and over. We're gonna wait about 30 to 40 minutes max, put some heat on this. And now I'm tired and under a blow dryer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I shall see you soon. This update. It's been like 2 minutes and my eyes are watering. It looks like I'm crying, man. Burns. Ooh, I'm officially crying. It looks like, it feels like I'm chopping onions or something. Like my eyes just burn. It's like if I'm chopping a whole bunch of onions. That's what it feels like, this sensation. Hey, why does this burn so much? It gotta be the fumes, like the fumes and the heat. Update. I stopped crying. And now we wait. However this blue comes out is how it's gonna come out. It looks yellow golden now. Look at that in her hand. Oh yeah, that looks way better, honestly. Danielle talking about, oh, it looks the same, it still looks orange. And no, this don't look orange, it's a yellow gold, right, Elaine?
Yeah.
Oh snap, it's coming off.
Super blue.
Get it.
How's it looking?
It's looking blue.
So we're just going to paint it on the blue, okay?
Okay.
And literally, just paint it, comb it through. Don't worry about getting it on the black, but see how this isn't technically black? This will change color. So just paint it on the blue. If you get some of it up here, it's not going to matter. But just don't paint the whole head.
Okay. Creamy.
Yeah.
This is so
Get it. Get it. Ah. Our YouTube channel at yayabeauti with that. Look, he's on the camera. Got more hype. Yes. Get it. Ah. So I'm home and it's like 11 o'clock at night. Sorry for this bad quality. I finally achieved it. After 4 times of lightning, going through this craziness. We literally lightened my hair 3 times this week. And it was such an ugly blonde. I was coming from a level 1, jet black, trying to get all the way to a level 8-9. Meaning yellow, golden. Second, like, process of blue we did was just to hit all those orange green pieces to really get that blue to stick. Very crazy. I don't recommend you to lighten your hair as much as I did. Very damaging. Like, this is air dry. Look how dry this is. And I got a trim too. Yeah, now time to maintain and take care of this blue hair. I'm so happy. Like, can't stop staring at it. Like, it's blue. Thank you so much for watching and coming on this adventure to see how I got my blue hair. I promise I won't be dyeing it no other, because I know I've been changing my hair like crazy. This is the last time. Enjoy it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment so your friends to subscribe and like. What was my old name? It was like Blue Cutie or Blue, I think something like that. Yaya Blue Cutie, I don't know. Anyways, tell your friends to subscribe. Help a homie out. Almost at 300. You guys have a blessed day. Bye. Ooh, look at that.